If you have a tween or a teenager that is hoping Sephora and Ulta are underneath the tree, then I have some great appropriate choices for you that are very in with the younger crowd. And up first are the Summer Friday lip balm sets. So I got both of these sets during the Sephora sale, and they're sold out online, but it says they're still available in store. So if you can snag one of these, definitely do, because they're a good deal, including this one, which has 3 full-size balms in it. But otherwise, you can get the balms individually. And so the normal balm sells for about $24, and this one is in the shade Sweet Mint. And then this one is Hot Cocoa. So this is a little mini that I have. Hot Cocoa and Sweet Mint, great holiday scents. And these are great. They're pretty much sheer. They smell amazing, and they remind me a lot of the Bonnie Bell lip smackers that I was hugely into when I was younger. So it's kind of along that. It's just a very elevated version of that. And then another thing that I picked up at Ulta was this little bauble bar ring by Too Faced. And this is so cute. So this comes as a little ring, and then when you lift this up, it has a lip gloss inside of it. I just think this is so fun. So I picked this up for me, but I'm also gonna gift these because I just thought this was great, and it comes wrapped like it's a little present. That's adorable as well. And then another thing that you can't go wrong with is the Sol de Janeiro perfumes, either as a set like I have here, and this set that I got during the Sephora sale has 4 perfumes in it, but they have one on Walmart that has 5, and it's $30. So I will link that in the pinned comment and also the description box down below, along with all of these other products for easy buying purposes. But these Sol de Janeiros are great. And you can also buy it as a single perfume, and this comes as all the different scents, and you can get this kind of mini size, you can get the full size, and then lastly you can get a set. So this comes with a body lotion and then also a spray, so you kind of get more bang for your buck. But any of those choices are great. And then the other thing, if you're not really keen on your tween or teenager wearing makeup yet, is to get hair care stuff. I have been amazed, considering I think I just used Head and Shoulders until I was, pretty much out of the house. So using these elevated products that are actually meant for curly hair like mine is great. But this one is by Jisoo, and this is their honey infused conditioner and shampoo. These are great. They smell amazing. The other one that's really popular is Living Proof. Last year I took my niece to Sephora and we picked up a Living Proof conditioner and a Sol de Janeiro perfume. So kind of along that stream. Another really hot product is this one by Peace Out, and this is their acne dots. So these have little tiny salicylic acid with some other cellulose and some other products on them, and you put them directly over any kind of acne or zits that you have, and you put them on overnight, 6 to 8 hours, and then when you wake up in the morning, your zit is dramatically improved. I actually never travel without these, and the last time we were on a trip, my husband had a zit that was forming, and I just kind of put one on him. I was like, trust me on this. And he woke up the next morning and it was gone. So these are great, but I will caution not to buy the day dot version. So this is the normal acne dots, so it'll just say acne on it. But if it has the day dots, those don't work as well. They don't stick as well. And I don't care if you put the word day in front of it. These should not leave the house on you. I worked with a number of girls this summer that would have these little dots and they were kind of like half hanging off. And I was always like, oh, is that going to fall off? That's really gross. So these are meant for indoor days or overnight. So I don't care if it has the word day in it. That does not matter. And the other thing to keep in mind is if you have a teen that's struggling with acne, Peace Out has a number of really great products. They have some salicylic acid like serums and sprays and mists that can really help with this. Tower 28 has their SOS rescue products, and those are also really good. And just having clean, normal, non-fragrance skincare is also really helpful. So 2 things that your teen can do to really help with acne is, first of all, if they're wearing any kind of product, make sure that it is a clean product that doesn't have any fragrance or irritants in it, because that will even make me break out. So I check all my products on a website called Beautypedia, and they have their beauty ingredient checker, and you can copy and paste your products into there with their ingredients, and it'll tell you if it's a good product, amazing, fair, poor, or really bad for your skin. And so those are really important to check out. All the products that I'm going to talk about today fall into that good skin category, so just kind of keep that in mind. Anything in this video you're going to be fine with. The other thing to keep in mind is that they need to cleanse their skin at the end of the day. All that grime and dirt, along with, kind of everything else that's going on, will really contribute to that acne, but especially if they start wearing makeup of any kind or skincare, they really need to cleanse their skin at the end of the night. Okay, another no makeup product is sunscreen. So kids nowadays actually wear sunscreen, and they wear fancy sunscreen. They aren't copper toning this one out. So you can pick up one of these. I really like the ones by The Ordinary and also Summer Fridays. I'm using this one right now, which is St. Jane Beauty. And then my all-time favorite is the Tatcha one, but it's $50 and that's just too much for sunscreen. So, but definitely check one of these out as well. These are great products. And then if they're up in the next level where they'd like to add a little bit of color, SPF is a great way to add that in. And so this one is by Kosas, and this is their Dream Bean in Sunlight. And this just has a pretty golden glow to it. You would just put this directly on the skin. It is goof proof. And this one is by Iris and Romeo, and this is their Best Skin Days. And this also has SPF in it. I have this in the shade 4, but again, this is very light coverage, so you're not going to get much from this, but you'll just kind of, get some perfecting in there as well. And then if your teen is kind of in the next level and they'd like to get, a skin tint with a little bit of kind of foundation starter package, then this one by Summer Fridays is great. I have this in the shade 1, which is the lightest shade, but I highly recommend this. This is pretty sheer, but it will kind of give a little bit of color correction. And so this is a good choice if they're just starting out with some foundation products, especially if maybe they have acne and they'd like a little bit of coverage on that. And then into the actual makeup category. So if your teen or tween is starting to wear makeup, then they might be starting out with mascara, which is a simple and easy thing to use. The best one by far to start out with is this one by e.l.f. This is their Lash Extender Mascara, and this is in the shade Brown. There is really no reason for anyone that is under 18 to wear a black mascara. It does not look good at that age. Just brown is a nice, good, pretty, soft shade. So I use brown almost exclusively in all of my mascaras. I'll wear black if I have a special event, but I like brown. I just think it looks better on me as well. So this is a great one. Just keep in mind that this is a tubing mascara. And so in order to get it off at the end of the night, they're going to need both water and pressure. If they don't have both of those, it won't come off and they might freak out a little bit. So just kind of keep that in mind. And I'll link up here in the description video that I have on mascara in depth, all the things you need to know, brush size, types of products, different types of mascara, water resistant versus tubing. So I'll put that up there, and then I'll also link in the description box down below. But this is a great one, so definitely check that out. And then if they're heading into the blush category, I really like these. So Rare Beauty is another popular product with younger crowds, and this is their Soft Pinch Luminous Powder Blush, and I have 2 of these. And these are really nice, soft, sheer coverage. So they look a little scary in the pan. So this one is the shade Love, and it looks like, oh my gosh, that is crazy. But if you just tap it on there, it's just a really kind of pretty sheen. So I use a fan brush to apply these, and then I just get a nice little topper over my regular blush, but these also work great alone. And this one is the shade Joy, which is a little bit more of a peach color. And then if they're into the next level, which is bronzing drops, because they would like a little bit of coverage, but they don't really want to go to foundation, then this is a great choice as well. So I have Physicians Formula Butter Glow Bronzing Serum, and this is one of those products you're just going to throw all over your face. It's goof proof. You can't mess this up. And then this one, and these don't have SPF. This one is by Isle of Paradise, and this is their Sunny Serum Instant Face Serum. And this is another one that you're going to put all over the face. And it just adds a little bit of color. It does, kind of, if you put anything on top of it, it sort of is gone, but this is great as a one and done product. This one in particular, the Physicians Formula, not so much, but this one does not play well with other makeup. So this really would be a one and done product. And then while you're in Sephora, definitely check out the other product by Isle of Paradise. And these are their bronzing serum. What do they call these? Self-tanning drops, and you add a drop or 2 of this to your moisturizer or your foundation, and it just kind of gives you a nice little tan effect. These are pretty goof proof. I know it says self-tanner, but I have put these directly on my face. I've put them in serum and moisturizer. They work great, and it just kind of works to kind of make your winter skin a little bit more alive. Now, if you can put all of these products inside of a Stanley mug, either 40 or 60 ounces, and then put a little bow on the handle, and you are good to go. You're going to be in great shape, especially if you're a tween or a teenager loves to walk around Sephora. And I will again put in the pinned comment down below all of the products that we talked about today, as well as in the description box. I'll also link that mascara video, and I'll also put my Sephora haul video where I talked about all of these products when I first got them. And I'll also put that up in a video haul here that you can just click. And then also my Walmart unboxings. I love to do those. They're so fun. And so I hope you check those out as well. I hope you hit subscribe and become part of the Beauty First in 10 family. I do videos on makeup, beauty, a little decor, some unboxings, fashion, you name it. I like a little bit of variety in my channel. And those usually post on Saturdays and Sundays. And then on Thursdays and Fridays, I post football videos because my other love is NFL football. I hope everybody has a happy holiday and happy shopping.